enterprise there. You see that, huh?
Did you get that?
Yep.
Yeah. Oh! Fucker!
Did you get the bite?
Yeah.
See where I was up underneath that tree? That's about a 3-pounder, 2.5 pounder, not something real big. Well, I was in the Romulan airspace.
Why don't you go back there again? Never go back
I
to...
had him hooked already.
I had him hooked, he felt it. See, I'm the Enterprise, and that's Romulan airspace, because I go where no man has gone before. Like, that ain't gonna get bit. We need to get deep. Just like that shot. Well, I was up underneath that fucking tree.
Yeah.
Let's go in there. You go. See where that lure's at? You don't even see it.
Where is it?
It's deep. Oh, good bit.
Big one. Look at that little fry jumping.
Oh, there's a nice little fish, huh? On the bird. Here, buddy. Come here, fishy.
There we
That's what
go.
I'm called flipping the bird.
Let's see you flip the bird, Sammy.
Get out of there, lure. Flipping the bird. Now I got a barbless hook on this guy, and he's still not wanting to come out.
Look at that.
One of many to come.
Beautiful.
And away they go. Love it when they do that. That was back-to-back bites right there. I didn't even twitch it. It landed and
Yeah.
he bit it.
Yeah. That's good. That's a good thing. Maybe we're starting to find him.
But he was, I didn't even, you know, it was just bam. As soon as it hit the water, I go, damn, I'm on him.
Got the whole thing.
Did you on that one?
Uh-huh.
The cast and everything?
Uh-huh.
Sweet. Let's see if we can get some more. Now he's throwing it in there though. Beautiful. Yeah, 2 bites in a row right there on the bird. And that was both under trees, Mikey.
Yeah. All mine have been coming on wood too.
Oh yeah? Maybe that's the pattern. We'll start hitting the trees. Sometimes it's all toolies. Back up underneath there. Yeah, they're not going to be out, man. So they're in tight then.
Yeah.
But then the pump house didn't give us no access.